Ratchet and Clank return to Nebula G34 to continue their hunt for a pair of Magna Boots. This amazing invention used compressed gravity coils that would allow its user to walk up stuff.
According to my database, we are headed to a shuttle designed for transporting Drek's high-value experiments.
Well, I'll give him this. He stays busy. Let's go see what he's been making.
Intruder detected. Intruder detected.
Hey!
They made it onto the ship!
Ain't she a beaut? Automatic lock-on, pyrocytic payload. Why did it put...
Unauthorized weapon removal detected. Self-destruct sequence initiated.
Ratchet, we must keep moving.
This doesn't look good.
We scared him. That's Lord's property.
The ship will self-destruct in 20 seconds.
Dear.
Come on!
Ratchet, I am detecting a gadget outside this station. Perhaps we should investigate. My sensors have picked up one of Drek's prototypes outside this airlock.
Be careful out there, pal.
What is that? How fortuitous. It is a Gadgetbot upgrade chip. My upgrade should allow me to reprogram these Gadgetbots.
How you doing out there, Clank?
I just picked up a new gadget.
Oh, man, what'd you get? You know you have to share whatever you found.
I think I will save these for me. Thank you. But there is still a prototype device nearby. I will collect it for you.
Oh, fine.
My upgrade should allow me to reprogram these Gadgetbots. My upgrade should allow me to reprogram these Gadgetbots. Quite the puzzle. There they are. Come in, Ratchet. I just located a pair of Magna Boots, returning to your position now.
Awesome. I always wanted a pair of Magna boots. Good work, pal. See you in a bit.
Too puny to wear the Magna Boots himself, Clank returned them to Ratchet.
I'll punch in our new flight coordinates. The Blarg are all cleared out of Kerwan. With Skid gone, there's not much left to do on Iridia. I have a hunch there's still something important to do on Rilgar. I know there's more stuff out there in Gaspar.
team. The time has come to give our new planet the finest water supply in the galaxy. Initiate the hydro harvesters and sap this planet dry.
Copy that, Chairman. You heard him, team. Activate all harvesters and deploy ground teams. If anyone even gets close to those harvesters, ice them!
Pokitaru's water supply was in trouble. If Ratchet and Clank failed to destroy Drek's hydro harvesters, this tropical paradise would become a desert wasteland. This thruster...
Hey! Over here! The Blarg are here! Well, dip me in breadcrumbs and feed me to a snagglebeast. Grim told me he was friends with the Lombacks, but I didn't believe him. I've never seen one in real life before. You must be Ratchet.
This is so weird. The resemblance. It's...
Uncanny, I know.
Grim asked us to help you destroy Drek's hydro harvesters.
If you're gonna destroy those things, we're gonna have to upgrade your ship. It just so happens the best upgrade guy in the galaxy is here for a comic book convention, right? Follow me, I'll take you to him. The Puffoids have been coming ashore ever since the Blarg started attacking. Nasty little devils, but tasty if you know how to cook them. It's a telepathopus.
Mr. Zernon is here to live. I shall let you live, alien.
Hey, that was pretty good. Did my brother teach you to do that?
One little, two little, dead little aliens. Four little, five little, dead little aliens.
Actually had a lovely fishing trip planned before these hydro harvesters showed up and ruined everything.
Oh, how long was your trip?
Going on about 10 years now. The fishing was just starting to get good, too. Let's keep moving. I think you got them all. Come on.
Here comes some more. Got him.
Wow, you look at that. Over there's the Torgoff waterfall. Grim and I used to trek to the top of that thing every holiday looking looking for gold bolts and such. Then one day he dared me to ride down on a barrel. I tell you, I've never seen our father so angry. Oh, those were the days. I think you got them all. Come on. So how's old Grim doing these days? I haven't heard much from him since we moved here from the Polaris Galaxy. He runs a garage, right?
Yeah, on Vel. It's small, but it's kind of cool. We do mostly hover conversions, proton scrubs, that sort of thing.
And now you're a Galactic Ranger. Grim must be so proud.
Actually, I don't know. I was supposed to help him with some proton scrubs, but I left in kind of a hurry. Hope he's not too angry with me.
Ah, he'll be all right. You're out protecting the galaxy. What's that compared to a few proton scrubs? My friend's not far from here. He'll be able to help you out. Ah, great. The bridge is out. These Blarg are really starting to cramp my fishing trip. Do me a favor and see if you can activate it from the... Thanks. Come on. It's not too far now.
Mr. Zircon delivers a symphony.
Yes!
Oh boy, that's not good. Looks like the Blarg have reached the city.
Looks like the Puffboys are... We're on it. Stay here and keep safe.
Come back! You forgot to activate the bridge controls!
Hey, you've got a lot of raritanium. Come see me for an upgrade.
I'm coming! Sorry, I'm a little out of shape. Look, over there! The Pokitaru Tiki Lounge and Karaoke Bar. With any luck, my engineer friend will be there. The guys on my holo game forum call him Big Al.
Oh, we know him. We met in Alero City. Nice dude. A little weird.
Yeah, that's Al. But he's the best upgrade guy in the business.
Mr. Zircon is here. One little dead little aliens. 4 little 5 little dead little aliens.
I'm trying to sing my soul-stirring rendition of Lefty Orion, Ain't No One Gonna Love Me. And you're ruining the moment.
live, little lady. Sigh. Zircon lives. Only to kill. Thought you had seen the last of Mr. Zircon. One little dead little aliens. Four little five.
Here I come! Good work. Okay, let's get inside. Hey, Al! Can you open up?
What's the secret password?
Oh, come on. Don't make me say it.
Well, your call. I have Lexi Orion's entire anthology. Here, and I can sing through it track by track.
Yeah, all right. All hail Big Al the Conqueror.
Go on.
The glory of his level 20 spellcaster burns brighter than the 4th star of Julius Major.